Today we will discuss the topic. Today we will discuss the topic. Just a minute. Today we will discuss the topic pregnancy and embryonic development. Last week we had discussed the gametogenesis, which is two types, in female oogenesis and in male spermatogenesis. Okay, and I had already told you there are the three phases of life of living organism. First, juvenile phase. Second, reproductive phase. Third, senescent phase. Juvenile phase is the birth to puberty period. That is known as the juvenile phase. Reproductive phase is the start from the puberty period. Reproductive phase is start from the puberty period. And the senescent phase, when menopause occur in females and males, menopause occur in female and male. It is in old age when our immune hormone begin to decrease day by day, and thymus gland is degenerate slowly. During reproductive phase, organism give birth to offspring. What is the reproductive phase? When organism give birth to offspring. That is known as the reproductive phase. Human female for intense menstruation cycle, which is defined as the cyclic changes in genital system during the reproductive phase. Last week we had discussed also menstruation cycle in female. Menstruation cycle is defined as the cyclic change in the genital system during the reproductive phase in female. You already know about that. Now in this part we will discuss the pregnancy and embryonic development. Okay, that is very interesting topic. First we discussed about the fertilization. What is the meaning of the fertilization? The process of fusion of sperm and the ovum is called the fertilization. In another term, we also defined as the fusion of male and female gamete. Fusion of male and female gamete is known as the fertilization. Synagamy of male and female gamete, that is known as the fertilization. Is it clear? What is the meaning of fertilization? Fusion of male and female gamete. Fusion of male and female gamete, that is known as the fertilization. Fertilization can only occur if ovum and sperm are transported simultaneously to the ovary. What is the need of the fertilization? What is the need of the fertilization? When ovum and sperm are transported simultaneously to the ovary and isthmic junction. Wait, what is the isthmic junction? In female reproductive tract, I have already told you. Waiting. Just a minute. Female reproductive. I'm on the page number 3.3 in the NCERT. In the NCERT, what is the isthmic and the ampullary phase? See carefully this diagram. Ovary release ova in the secondary as a secondary oocyte through the process of ovulation. Open this page number. I think diagram number 3.3 in human reproduction. Ovary release ovum through the process of ovulation as a secondary oocyte and captured by the fimbria. Capture कौन करता है ओवा को? Who captured the ova? Fimbria captured the ova and it moved the ampulla. That is known as the ampullary phase. You all see? that is known as the ampullary phase, and the ova then moves to the isthmus. Then ova move to the isthmus. Fimbria, infundibulum, ampulla, isthmus. That is all collectively known as a fallopian tube. That's all collectively known as the fallopian tube. Is it clear? That when ova is released from the ovary as a secondary oocyte, it is held by the fimbria. Then it move fimbria or infundibulum, finger-like projection present outside the ovary. Then it moves to the ampulla. Ampulla, that is the present inside the fallopian tube, and isthmus, that is a very narrow tube-like structure that is present. That is collectively known as isthmus, ampulla, and infundibulum, and fimbria, collectively known as the fallopian tube. That is the place where fertilization takes place. One question arises here: where is the fertilization of ovum take place? In fallopian tube, or in fallopian tube isthmic junction, where fertilization take place. If नीट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से क्वेश्चन डायरेक्ट नहीं आएगा, वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वे में आएगा. वेयर इज द फर्टिलाइजेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन ओवम एंड स्पर्म टेक प्लेस. दैट इज वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वे. उसमें आपको 4 ऑप्शंस में इसमें फ्लोपियन ट्यूब, आम्पुलरी, इनफंडिबुलम सब मेंशन किया होगा. तो आपको अगर नीट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से पॉइंट आउट करना है तो आपको इस्थमिक जंक्शन लगाना है. इन जनरल आप सीबीएसई के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आप आंसर में मेंशन कर सकते हैं कि फ्लोपियन ट्यूब. इज इट क्लियर? वेयर इज द फर्टिलाइजेशन टेक प्लेस? इन फ्लोपियन ट्यूब इस्थमिक जंक्शन. इन फ्लोपियन ट्यूब इस्थमिक जंक्शन. Fertilization can only occur if the ovum and sperm transported simultaneously. Simultaneously, what is the meaning of simultaneously? Ova is released during the 13 to 15 days. In between 13 to 15 days, 13, 14, 15 days. That is the main ovulation phase of the ovary. When ova is released as a secondary oocyte from the ovary and captured by the infundibulum and movement through ampulla to isthmus. That is the day when fertilization take place. After 15th day, there is a no fertilization take place and ova move to the uterus, and again menstruation cycles start. Is it clear, everybody? When no fertilization take place, then ova move to the uterus, and there is a no fertilization take place after 16th day. Is it clear? Fertilization can only occur if ovum, yani ova release as a secondary oocyte and position is in fallopian tube. After the when ova is moved from the fallopian tube to the ova, then no fertilization take place, and sperm are transported simultaneously to means intercourse between the male and female between the 13, 14, 15 days occur, then fertilization take place. Otherwise, no fertilization take place before or after. Is it clear, everybody? Hanji beta ji, is it clear, everybody? If any doubt regarding to this concept, you may ask the question. Next, fertilization can only occur if the ovum and sperm are transported simultaneously to the ampullary isthmic junction. Next, event during the fertilization. What is the events take place during the fertilization? This is very, very important. What is the events take place during the fertilization? First, sperm come in contact with the zona pellucida. First, sperm comes in contact with the zona pellucida. What is the meaning of zona pellucida and where it is present? Zona pellucida is the outer covering of ovum. That is the outer covering of ovum. That is present outside the ovum, that is known as the zona pellucida. Zona pellucida. You have seen the diagram of ovum and clarify the where is the zona pellucida located. Sperm come in contact with the zona pellucida. Second event is induced change in the membrane. When sperm in contact with the zona pellucida, its acrosomal part that is present on the sperm head, cap-like structure is present, that is known as the acrosome. Cap-like structure present on the head of the sperm, that is acrosome, filled with the enzyme, filled with the hydrolytic enzyme. Induce change in the membrane. Induce change यानी breaking करेंगे. That breaking the membrane that block entry of additional sperm. After breaking and when sperm move inside the ovum, after that they block the entry of additional sperm. After that they block the entry of additional sperm. Now you some student ask there how twins are formed. When one sperm is entered and the membrane is blocked, then how second fertilization take place and second sperm move inside the ovum. That is occur that is occurring very rare cases when two sperm enter at a same time. Then twins are formed. In another case, sometimes embryo is divided into two parts. That's why twins are formed. When two sperm enter immediately same time in the same ovum, then twins are formed. Is it clear? But it occurs very rare basis. Induce the change in the membrane that block entry of the additional sperm. Induce पहले breaking होगी, then produce of certain chemicals and the formation of a barrier that block the additional sperm. Third event is that secretion of acrosome helps sperm enter the cytoplasm of ovum. The hydrolytic enzyme carried by the acrosome. The hydrolytic enzyme carried by the acrosome helps sperm enter the cytoplasm of ovum. Cytoplasm of ovum means sperm की entry को helpful बनाएंगे. किसकी help से? Enzymes are present in the acrosome. Is it clear? Which help in the entry of sperm into the ovum cytoplasm with the help of enzyme. Is it clear? Enzymes are help the sperm to enter in the ovum cytoplasm. Is it clear? Next event is meiotic division of secondary oocyte take place. Meiotic division of secondary oocyte means that is the reductional division, and second meiotic division take place in the secondary oocyte. Haploid ovum and second polar body formed. Here second polar body and haploid ovum is produced, and next is the formation of zygote. When ovum is fertilized with the sperm, then क्या होगा? Formation of a single cell which carry the 50% genetic character of father and 50% genetic character of mother, and formation of zygote. That is a 2n number. Zygote is 2n number. Is it clear, everybody? That is the events of fertilization. Event during the fertilization. Again, I'll repeat in summarized form. Again, I revise. Sperm come in contact with the zona pellucida, that is the outer covering of the ova. Induce change in the membrane. Induce change when sperm contact with the zona pellucida. It change the membrane structure and allow the entry of one sperm inside and create additional barrier for the another sperm. Secretion of acrosome. Acrosome, which type of material secrete? A liquid with the enzyme. Helps sperm entry into the cytoplasm of ovum, which help in the entry of sperm into the ovum. Meiotic division of secondary oocyte means haploid ovum and secondary polar body formed by the reductional division. Formation of zygote means fertilization of sperm and ova take place, and formation of zygote which is in 2n number. Is it clear, everybody? Next is implantation. What is the meaning of implantation? Anybody know? What is the meaning of implantation? Implantation is the pregnancy. Is it clear? Implantation means pregnancy. Zygote move toward the uterus. When fertilization takes place, zygote form and zygote move toward the uterus, and zygote move from, देखिए isthmic junction में after fertilization zygote form and then zygote move to the uterus. Then zygote move to the uterus. This diagram which is located on your screen, see carefully. Isthmic junction से when zygote is formed, it move to the uterus. Then blastomere zygote is divided into 2 cell, 4 cell, 8 cells, and 16 daughter cells. That is form the blastomere. A group of cell after zygote formation, which is divided and replicate and proliferate, differentiate. That is known as a blastomere. Then morula stage, when 16 blastomere, 8 to 16 blastomere collectively form a group, that stage is known as a morula. यानी 16 करके 16 blastomere form होंगे, then a structure is formed that is known as a morula. After morula, then cell again divide and form a we say that the group of cell or a mass of cell, that is known as the blastocyst. Now next step is blastomere in blastocyst. यानी 16 जो आपके blastomere है in blastocyst arrange into outer layer. All are arranged in the outer covering. The group of cells and they are arranged in the blastomere outer layer, trophoblast. That is make the trophoblast. And inner group of cell attached to the trophoblast. And inner group of cell attached to the trophoblast. Is it clear? Next, blastocyst get embedded in the endometrium of uterus. Endometrium of uterus, you all visible? That is the inner covering of uterus. Is it clear that endometrium is the inner lining of uterus? In menstruation cycle, it is degenerate. Is it clear? When pregnancy is carried out, या implantation occur, then जो blastocyst है, that is embedded in the endometrium of uterus. Blastocyst is embedded in the uterus. Is it clear? Endometrium wall of uterus. Is it clear, everybody? That is known as the implantation. Blastocyst get embedded in the uterus. Blastocyst get embedded in the endometrium of uterus. When blastocyst is get embedded in the endometrium of uterus, that is known as the implantation. When 1 marks question asked from you, define implantation or what is implantation? When blastocyst get embedded in the endometrium of uterus, that is known as the implantation. That process is known as the implantation. Everybody clear? Again, I repeat, when question asked from you, what is the implantation or define implantation? When blastocysts get embedded in the endometrium of uterus, that process is known as the implantation. Is it clear? Next step is uterine cell rapidly divide. Then uterine cell, yani endometrium cell also divide very rapidly and cover the blastocyst and make a membrane-like structure which cover the blastocyst. Uterine cell, yani uterus में cell present है, which cells are present in the uterus, endometrium cell divide very rapidly and cover the blastocyst, yani properly cover कर देंगे, एक sac-like structure present होगा outside the blastocyst. Is it clear, everybody? Any doubt from this topic? You may ask question from this topic. Next, very interesting topic, pregnancy and embryonic development. This is a topic related to our body. You all know very well about your each and every part of the body. That is our body is like a machine. You all know about the each and every apparatus and instrument present in your body for proper functioning of your machine. Is it clear? So pregnancy and embryonic development, that is very interesting topic. Pregnancy and embryonic development, inner layer grow out as a finger-like. Inner layer grow out as a finger-like projection. Just a minute, wait, I'll see your diagram. Just a minute, wait. Sorry. Now let us continue the topic. Pregnancy and embryonic development. Inner layers grow out as a finger-like projection called villi into the uterine stroma. Is it clear? Uterine stroma. Finger-like projection की तरह जो हमारी inner wall है villi की form में क्या होता है? Continue divide करती है और villi की formation करती है into uterine stroma inside membrane. Cornic villi and uterine tissue get interdilated to form placenta. When they are divided and villi are formed continuously and uterine tissue combined and interdilated, they form the placental cord. What is the placental cord? The placental cord is the passage and connection between the child and mother. Through placental cord, mother provides food and nourishment and oxygen and gases transport to the child. Is it clear? Placental cord is a one type of passage and connection between a mother and child. Is it clear? During pregnancy, it is present. Placenta secretes hormone. Now, here very important point. Placenta secretes hormone like human cornegonadotropin, HPL, estrogen, progesterone to maintain pregnancy. HPL क्या है? Human placental lactogen. HPL is the human placental lactogen. Placental secrete hormone. Here one very important question arises from there. Placenta secrete which type of hormone? Placenta secrete which type of hormone? Give their names. Placenta secrete hormone like human cornegonadotropin, human placental lactogen, and estrogen and progesterone. Why it produces this type of hormone? To maintain the pregnancy. Why? Now question again, one type of question arises from there. Why placenta secrete hormones? Now pregnancy is after. Why placenta secrete this type of hormone? To maintain the pregnancy. Placenta secrete hormone like HCG, HPL, estrogen, progesterone to maintain the pregnancy. Is it clear? Next, inner cell mass. Inner cell mass यानी जो हमारा प्रेगनेंसी कैरी आउट हुई है उसमें सेल का जो ग्रुपिंग है सेल मास है differentiate into an outer layer called the ectoderm and inner layer called the endoderm. जो grouping of mass है they can divide it into two parts. Outer layer is known as the ectoderm and inner layer is known as the endoderm. Is it clear? Next, mesoderm appear between the ectoderm and endoderm. After too many days are passed, then mesoderm appear between the ectoderm and endoderm because as no name pronounced mesoderm, it is the middle part of the mass cell. Is it clear? Inner cell mass. Stem cell. What is the stem cell? Undifferentiated embryonic cell. They don't divide and differentiate to form a special type of organ or tissue. They are the stem cell. They are always undifferentiated or embryonic cell. They are present always as a embryonic cell. Is it clear? Everybody clear? Next step, feature of embryonic development. What is the features of embryonic development? In human pregnancy, latest form 9 months. Is it? You already know very well. The human pregnancy latest for 9 months. What is the feature of embryonic development take place during these 9 months? What is the feature of embryonic development take place during these 9 months? First, the human pregnancy latest for 9 months. You already know. First month, embryo heart is formed. First month, which part of the embryo formed? Heart is formed in the first month.